Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. As you can tell by the title, I'm about to give y'all some good hair today. And if you're somebody like me, I'm not about to pay $300, $200 plus for a wig. I don't care. Unless somebody gives it to me for free, I'm not paying that much. I don't love weave that much in order to spend that much money on a wig. At the end of the video, I'm gonna give y'all the pros and cons of what I think about this wig. Yes, let's just get straight into this video, and I want to do something a little different. I want to give you like a commentary style voiceover. So let's get into this video. I'm going to be watching it as I just explain everything that's going on here, everything that I'm doing to achieve this look. Okay, so we're going to go from this to this. Okay, so here I'm just starting out with freshly washed hair, and I'm simply just going to start parting my hair, and I'm just gonna part from literally probably the back of my ear all the way to the other side of my ear. And honestly, y'all, this part does not have to be perfect. I never strive for perfection when it comes to my hair. I'm not gonna drive myself crazy. So we're just gonna be using this wig as a half wig. And also, when you part your hair, sorry, I should have added this in, but you don't wanna start like in the middle of your head. You wanna be closer to the front of your head. And then you're just gonna part your hair down the back, comb both sides, and I'm literally just gonna braid each side. I'm not a professional braider, so it's not gonna look that cute, but it's perfectly fine because it's gonna be going underneath that wig. Okay, and then next we're just gonna go ahead and pin my hair back. If your hair is shorter, you can just pin it like this, just by pulling each braid to the side. My hair is a little too long for that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and literally tie my hair around each other, the two braids around each other. And I'm just gonna snatch it, and I'm gonna pull both ponytails in and just take a bobby pin and pin them in. This is the easiest way for me. Okay, her part's a little crooked, but it's all good. No one's gonna see. All right, now we're just gonna comb out my hair, and I like to spray my hair with water because it gives it that extra shine. And then we use my favorite Twist Defining Cream. I live by this, y'all, and I'm just gonna use it for the front of my hair. Brush it up. And for my hair, I'm just gonna twist it around and put it into the tiniest little bun. And this, we're gonna wrap the weave around it when we finally get to the wig. You can't forget your edges, yes. And I'm just gonna lay my hair down for probably about 10 minutes, nothing crazy. Okay, so for the wig, I'm just gonna adjust the back to make it tighter. The wig was a little too loose, and you can adjust your wig with the straps that you see here. And there's a bunch of different notches. So you'll just literally take each strap, bring it to the other side, and hook it in the notch. And there is gonna be a prong or like a comb in the wig, so you're just going to attach it as close as possible to that part. And then you wanna make sure that you adjust the back, and there's another comb underneath there too. That one might be a little difficult to fish around for if you do adjust your straps, but try to push it up into the back of your hair so that it feels secure. We're just gonna take some hair from the back, or the top I should say, and I'm just gonna literally wrap it around my bun. It's not gonna be perfect. Like I said, y'all, I don't strive for perfection when it comes to styling my hair. And yeah, we're just gonna grab that hair, twist her around the bun, and just start to bobby pin it. And I'm just trying to make sure that I take an even amount from each side, so it's not like I took too much here, took too much here. And she is done. Clearly I start to feel myself when I put these earrings on. But yeah, this is the final look. And this is the back. Yes, give you a little close up. All right, and that was the video. So I just want to kind of talk to y'all just a little bit about this wig, my pros, cons, the good, the bad, all that. I want to tell y'all how I really feel about this $22 wig. So as far as the wig goes, if you actually wanted to go into a beauty supply store and purchase it, it's from a brand called Sensationnel, and it is in the style Cambridge in the shade 1B. My hair color is a 1B, so always get 1B in any weave that I'm going to be wearing that I get from the beauty supply store. Now, let's get to the nitty gritty. When you first buy this wig, it looks like it's like Shirley Temple curls. So when I first get it, it's super shiny. It has all these tight curls. So I just literally will run my fingers through the hair to kind of pull the curls apart. You don't want to use a brush. You don't want to use a comb towards this because this is, I believe it's synthetic. If I'm wrong, I'll put some words down at the bottom of the screen to correct myself. But yes, it's synthetic. So I try not to do any manipulation just as far as like putting a comb or a brush to it. Otherwise it'll start to get tangled and it's gonna turn ugly really quickly. So I don't do any of that. You can also dust a little bit of baby powder on the hair if you feel like it's too shiny and you want to kind of tone it down. With me, I personally don't mind the shine because once I start to put my hair products in, I know that my hair is gonna look shiny. So the shine for me is okay. Plus it goes away over time after a couple wears. The good is that you get a new look in probably under 30 minutes. This hairstyle literally takes me 20 something minutes. So it's something really quick. It's a good alternative if you want to try a new look, but you don't want all the hassle. Maybe if you know, like getting braids takes hours. If you just want a new look in a short amount of time, this is going to be perfect for you. And also you are going to save hella coins since it's only $22. What else do you need? $22 and something for your edges and you're good to go. It's really cheap. But I will say this is like a PS. This is like a note on the side. If you're a partial wig wearer, or I should say a part-time wig wearer, then you're gonna save hella coins. If you like to wear wigs every day, all day, you're gonna end up spending more money. You might as well get a $200 wig. Sorry. It kind of just depends on what you're doing with your wig, but you're not gonna get a lot of uses out of it. So for someone like me, I'm a part-time wig wearer, it's perfect. I'm really actually gonna save money. I'm not gonna be spending more money going out and buying a new wig once a week. I'm not doing that. So for someone like me, I will definitely be saving money. We're gonna get to the cons of wearing a cheap weave. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, your wig can and will start to get stiff. And this just can depend on different factors. You could be styling it too much. This style is pretty low maintenance. I literally just take care from the top. I don't touch the rest of the wig if I don't have to. But depending on how you style the wig, could make it stiff if you use different tools to manipulate it. Like I said, if you do run a comb or a brush through it often, your wig is gonna start to get stiff. It could also depend on the outside elements. I feel like I've noticed if I'm out in the sun a lot, I don't know, for some reason it just kind of like picks up that heat, and then I notice it'll start to get stiff more often, or quicker I should say. And this kind of goes hand in hand. The wig will start to mat up. Even like for me, I noticed that the back usually always gets matte the quickest because it's rubbing up against my back. And it's synthetic hair. I mean, that's expected. It's gonna start to mat up eventually. So sometimes if I notice that, then I will try and pull the hairs apart a little without being too aggressive because I don't want this to turn into a fight. I'm just trying to help the situation. So yeah, I will pull it apart a little just to kind of get that matted hair to separate itself from each other, but that could be a struggle in itself, y'all. The last con that I will say is that when you do have a cheap wig, you're not gonna get 100 uses out of it. It's not like a lifetime wig. You might not even have it for a couple of months. Depending on what you put it through, you might only get 10 wears out of it, and that's just me estimating and throwing a random number out there. But I have had wigs where I only got a few uses out of it because I did the most with it and I had to throw it away. So that's just something to keep in mind. Like I said, when you're wearing cheap wigs, you want to keep the manipulation low. Just try to be nice to it, and then with that you might be able to get more wears out of it. But that is pretty much it. Really simple, really easy. You can also wear this wig in different styles. Just keep in mind, like for me, I didn't leave any of my real hair out in the back. So when it's windy, when this wind takes off with this hair, I'm like, ooh, please don't disrespect me like that. I try to make sure that I'm like holding my hair, because then you'll be able to see everything back here. So just keep that in mind. If you do want to leave a little bit of hair out, you can, but I feel like it's so much easier just to keep it simple and to braid the back up like I did. And if the wind catches it, then I'm snatching it, pretty much. I'm a fan of this wig. I love it. Like I said, I'm a part-time wig wearer, so give me my $22 cheap weave, honey. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. This is just a side note. Aside from this wig, I am super excited to be making more videos. This time I am committed, and I actually want to be held to that because I have a lot of stuff planned for my channel and I'm really excited just to get it out. And my goal is to post one video a week, and I'm gonna alternate between beauty and lifestyle. So one week I'll give you a beauty video, and then the next week I'm gonna give you a vlog. And I'm super excited to be vlogging now because I've wanted to do that for years, but things happen and I've always stopped myself, or I talked myself out of it, or I got scared, or I got, you know, my anxiety will go through the roof just thinking about it. So now I've really been working on me. Y'all got videos coming, so thank y'all for tuning in, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.